Good afternoon. This is Stella King from Fotress UAV. Today we have a drone day event in our facility, and we are honored to have a special guest from DJI, Ian from California. Ian, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience?
Thank you so much, Stella. My name is Ian Anaman, and I work with the enterprise sales team in Burbank, California.
Yes, and what do you think of Drone Day so far?
Drone Day has really been quite an eye-opener for me. It's been very exciting. I haven't had a moment to rest. It's been extremely busy from when we started the day. I've been on my feet, but it's been really great because I've had such a wide range of industries represented, everything from public safety to oil and gas to construction. So it's really been a cross-section of different industries that have come along today. So some people were very inexperienced, they had no knowledge of drones or how to fly a drone. So I took some time to educate people on how the very basics of drone flight and how to improve your skills as when flying drones. But then there were also people who were very experienced.
Yes.
And they knew exactly what they wanted to do with drones and how they wanted to use them. And so it's been a really rewarding day, I would say, and it's been a great pleasure to be here.
Well, thank you for
Yeah,
being
you're
with
very
us.
welcome.
We really appreciate
Very
that.
welcome.
Yeah. Tell us about DJI. It's such an important name in the industry, and we would like to know more about DJI.
Okay, so DJI really started from very humble beginnings in 2006. And we've had very rapid growth since then. In the early days, we used to actually produce kits where you'd actually assemble the drone yourself. But now we've actually got ready-to-fly kits where literally you can, out of the box, have a drone up in the air very quickly with minimal training.
Wow.
So we really focus on making drones very easy to use, very easy to fly. Now, we were initially very well known for our consumer range of drones, have been very popular, and but we've now, through industry feedback, have developed what we call our enterprise range of drones, focusing on more robust drones that can be used in industry. So that is our focus going forward.
I see. So the enterprise drones are making all the buzz now for the commercial applications, and you have a sample that you can show us here?
That's correct. I have the M210. I'll give you a little bit more background on the M210. It's actually part of the M200 series. The M200 series is comprised of three models. The M200, which is the base model, the M210, which I have here today, and the M210 RTK. RTK stands for real-time kinematic. The whole idea of RTK is that it just really generates a much more accurate GPS positioning for the aircraft, which is used for some applications, particularly in construction where they need centimeter accuracy. The M210 RTK is particularly relevant for that industry. But the majority of uses, the M210, which is the aircraft we have here, will certainly suffice. If you've flown any DJI aircraft previously in our consumer drones, you'll see that many of the features from our consumer drones are also going to be familiar to you if you use the M200 series. For example, you have intelligent flight features like Tap Fly and Active Track and Spotlight Pro, which just makes it easier to actually focus on subjects and to track things that you are trying to film.
I see.
We also have obstacle avoidance.
Yes.
So we have two sensors at the front, we have a sensor on the top and at the bottom as well. So the whole idea of obstacle avoidance is to prevent you having some sort of incidents when you're flying as well.
Flying into a tree.
That's correct, that's correct. So some of those features you're going to be already familiar with. We also have the light bridge system that really ensures great communication between the remote control and the aircraft. You can actually travel 7 kilometers, which is 4.3 miles with this aircraft, that's correct. And we have an IP43 rating. What it actually means is that it's water resistant. So that is really a very important feature when you're using it in inclement weather. And it's, you know, it performs very well in windy conditions as well. So those are just some of the initial features. We also have what we call an ADSB feature in the app. What that means is you are alerted when there are aircraft in the area. So you're alerted and you'll know if there are any other manned aircraft or other drones in the area. So that's why ADSB is really very, very important as well. So so those are some of the key features of the aircraft.
Very impressive. Thank you for being with us today.
You're very
Appreciate
welcome.
it. Thank
You're very
you.
welcome.